Hello, my friends. Today we wanna make us on a homemade chorizo. Okay, so I got that 1 pound the ground beef and 2 tablespoons the oregano, 1 tablespoon the salt, and 6 garlics, and 1 tablespoon the pepper, and 1 teaspoon the crushed chili, and 3/4 a cup the vinegar, and some red chili. I got two little bags, but I think I'm gonna use only one because it's only 1 pound the ground beef. So we started. Okay. Okay. We need to do the garlics. And you can put garlic the way you like. You like less, you can put 3. I put in some 6. It's the flavor. Smell good the garlic. And you make a 2 pounds the ground beef. You can add some more stuff like the garlic, the salt, the pepper, the chili, the vinegar. So okay, now we're gonna do the 2 tablespoons the oregano. One tablespoon the crushed chili. 1 the pepper. With salt. And now we want to do the chili. You can buy this kind, the guapo, or any kind of chili. They start mixing. Vinegar, and you like pork, you can do it with pork too, or mix. I like beef. Okay, they put the rest to the vinegar. Smothered. a little bit more the oregano. I put it in here. So remember, oregano and garlic is the flavor of the chorizo. And a lot of people use the cumin. I don't like it. That's why I don't put it in mine. But if you like it, you can put it on. So this mix it and mix it, like everything get together. See how easy it is? You buy in the markets. But the markets, you know, you put it at different things. So I'm done. I'm gonna wash my hands. So why vinegar? Okay, my friends, it's done. So it's real easy. Make it. It's good. You can make it with eggs, with potatoes. You can use it in tostadas. Put it in the beans, and any kind of food you like. All right. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Okay, my chorizo is done. So it's here. So I want to cook some chorizo with eggs, okay? We put in oil, a little tiny bit, maybe about a spoon. Is it? And I'm gonna cut some chorizo. Put it there. Start cook it. Smell good. I'm gonna put the eggs, so I need a little bit oil. Chorizo done. It cooked right away, so now use 2 eggs. Just mix it. This is for breakfast. Okay, The chorizo is done, cook it. So I'm gonna make just a couple burritos, okay? With chorizo. Just like this. Fold it. Like this. Push it and roll it. So it's one burrito. So I'm making that other one. Make the other one. Just put it whatever you, just like this. Push it, just roll it. Two burritos de chorizo. Está. I'm done. The burritos, the chorizo, and thank you so much for watching my video. So see you in next video soon. Bye.